Yeah.
My name's Zach, but my students call me Unc. I'm an educator and a filmmaker. 5 years ago, I made a risky decision. I walked away from the traditional classroom to chase something bigger, a vision, a calling, to spark the next generation, not just in one classroom, but in every corner of the world. That mission, to teach students how to create, how to cultivate stories, how to turn ideas into impact through media, filmmaking, and the power of AI. The squad, myself, Matt, and Marc, we don't just talk about content at One Day Film Skool, we live it.
Building houses with these bricks.
Our students step into a world of high-level production and leave with real experience.
I've waited my whole life for this moment. Oh, I couldn't wait.
This isn't theory, ladies and gentlemen. It's not a class. It's a launch pad. This is where creators are born. This is One Day Film Skool. Welcome to the movement.
One Day Film Skool. Scene one, take one.
I said. Okay. Hold mic to mouth as he goes. One Day Film Skool. Scene one, take one.
Right now?
Yeah, look to the screen.
Right now?
Yeah, go.
Film school. People, scene one, take one.
One Day Film Skool. One more time.
One Day Film Skool.
What?
Take two.
I guess it. Clever. All right, we'll take it. And 3, 2, 1, action.
I need my contestants. Here's my 6 contestants. Walter, introduce my contestants.
Aaron, Oliver, Bryson.
Gwen, Melanie, Elizabeth.
Thank you, Walter. So, today, we play musical chairs. We have 5 chairs, 6 people. You already know the deal. Go! I said go! Honestly, I don't even know who I'm rooting for. Oh no! Walter! Why? Ask him about his strategy. What was your strategy?
Fine chair. No have.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
All right, now go back to the seats. Bye! All right, I got 5 contestants, 4 chairs. Thank you, Walter. Go! Oh, no! Walter? What was your strategy?
Just find a chair and sit down.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Go back to your seat.
Okay.
I got 4 contestants, 3 chairs. Thank you, Walter. Go! I feel like my voice is eliminated. What was your strategy?
To sit down.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, go back to your seat. You lost. Okay, now we got 3 contestants. 2 chairs. Thank you, Walter. Begin. You're playing. Speed it up. What a shame. What a shame. What is your strategy?
Going slow. That didn't work.
Yeah, clearly it didn't work. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, now go back to your seat. We got 2 contestants, 1 chair. You already know the deal. We got 1 winner. Wait. Pause the music. Pause the music. Walter! Introduce my contestants.
Aaron. Oliver.
Cheer for Oliver if you think he's gonna win. Begin! There can only be 1 winner. Who's gonna win? Oh! Who's on the chair? Aaron? Aaron got it first? I'm here. My director is telling me Aaron got it first.
What did the crowd say?
Instant replay. Pull up the instant replay. Who was on the chair first? My source is saying it was Aaron and not Oliver.
The assistant. Hand over the head. By applause. Who won?
Wait.
Cheer for him. Cheer for him.
How does that feel? Y'all suck.
Hey,
Cry about it, come on.
don't be mean to my audience. You lost. Get off. Shoo. There. Congratulations, Aaron. You are my winner. How do you feel?
Hey, it feels pretty good.
Feels pretty good.
Yep.
Who are you doing this for?
I'm doing this for myself, for fun.
For yourself? For
Yep.
fun? Did you have fun?
Yes, it was pretty fun. I've been tense.
Director, what's his prize? A round of applause. Give him a round of applause.
Thank you.
All right, thank you for tuning in to Artie's Musical Chairs special, hosted by yours truly, Artie. You know